Welcome back, ladies and gents. My name is Frankie.
Peter.
And this is Two Guys, One Tim. On this week's episode, we are going to introduce you two of my favorite bartenders, Tom and Jerry, and his drink, the Whiskey Bitter.
Jerry Thomas, Whiskey Sour. You know what? Let me take over from here. In 1862, we have the first written documentation of the Whiskey Sour in Jerry Thomas's Bartender's Guide. However, sours were popular prior to this date as it was made on ships by sailors to overcome scurvy.
As our fight against COVID-19, we are going to make a modern day twist on this incredible, timeless classic.
Let's get started.
I want to do the twist, and I go for tails.
Sure.
Oh.
Tails. You got it. While there's no agreed birthday for the Whiskey Sour, it is acknowledged that its first printed recipe appeared in the famed tome of 19th century cocktail wisdom, How to Mix Drinks, circa 1862, by bartender godfather Jerry Thomas. Bourbon, whiskey, and lemon to keep the cellars healthy and strong, while the sugar balances out the sour notes. Easy, right? It doesn't have to have an egg white to be a perfect classic, but it is arguably much better with it. For the sours to get their signature foam, they are shaken twice, a dry shake and a wet shake. The first one is to emulsify the egg white, making it frothy, while the wet one is to dilute and chill the cocktail. As you can see, I'm doing a reverse shake, because I don't like when the foam sticks to the ice, and from my experience I get a much better consistency and the drink doesn't separate that easy. I recommend trying it out, trust me, you guys won't be disappointed. Even though it is a classic, I'm doing a modern garnish. I hate when my peels are not trimmed. If you put time and effort in making a balanced cocktail, you shouldn't skip out on the garnish. Trim it, make it pretty, have pride in your work. This drink is one of the most popular cocktails for twists. No wonder sour stood the hands of time.
The hands of Richard Schorsch approached this classic twist in an unprecedented way. His life is primarily about innovation and a whole lot of wickedness. Skipping the lemon and substituting it with craft sour beer vinegar is a daring attempt. The main objective by creating this cocktail is to have the essential sourness to it. While anything soury can substitute it, the vinegar gives a kick and it is so good with it. When the bourbon splashes at the bottom of the tin, the crispy biscuit syrup follows, elevating the level of sweet notes. The crown for this masterpiece is a well-known ingredient used in coffee cakes, the mascarpone. The foam itself has a tender, bitter aftertaste. When sipping the whiskey sour, the flavors molds together and gives you a new experience. For the drink, not to venture alone, bites of lemon-zested olives with savory flavor accompany you on this journey. Try eating them first, and then sip the cosmos in. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments.
Thank you for watching the video so far. As always, we appreciate all the likes. This channel was created by creative minds for creative minds. If you're sitting at home thinking, man, that must be so cool, I wish I could be a part of it somehow, reach out to us. Send us your ideas and we can shoot an episode featuring you.
This episode's twist was submitted by Richard Schorsch, bartender of Leo, of the Clark Hotel. You can also check out his latest venture, Mash House, a new and exciting way to experience exclusive spirits from around the world. On Instagram, on the link below.
I guess that's enough for today. Go have a whiskey sour if you live in a city that has bars open, and come back next Sunday. Cheers.
Oh, we forgot to tell to subscribe.